Start your journey with the most important pillar of Islam, Salah. Are you ready to connect with Allah the way the Prophet taught us? Whether you're new to Islam or just want to perfect your prayer, this step-by-step guide will make Salah simple, clear, and meaningful. Before prayer preparation. Purification, Wudu. Perform ablution, Wudu, if you're not already in a state of cleanliness. Steps. Wash hands, mouth, nose, face, arms, wipe head, ears, and wash feet. Dress modestly. Men. Cover from navel to knees. Women. Full body except face and hands and feet in some opinions. Face the Qibla, direction of Kaaba. Ensure prayer time has started. Step-by-step prayer, 2 rakats example. Step 1 is niyyah, intention. Silently intend the prayer in your heart. For example, I intend to pray 2 rakats of Fajr for Allah. Step 2 is takbir al-ihram, opening takbir. Raise both hands to your ears, shoulders for women, and say, Allahu Akbar. Allah is the greatest. Step 1 is qiyam, standing. Place right hand over left, below chest for women, above navel for men. Recite. Opening supplication, optional. First of all, Subhanaka Allahumma. Then, Surah Al-Fatiha. After that, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Then, any short surah or verses, for example, Surah Al-Ikhlas, Qul Huwa Allahu Ahad. Now, Ruku, bowing. Bow back straight, hands on knees, and say, Subhana Rabbiyal Adhim, 3 times. Glory is to my Lord, the Most Great. Then, I'tidal, standing again. Stand up straight and say, Sami Allahu liman hamida. Allah hears the one who praises him. Then, Rabbana lakal hamd. Then, sujud, prostration. Go down to the ground. Forehead, nose, palms, knees. Toes touch the floor. Say, Subhana Rabbiyal A'la 3 times. Glory is to my Lord, the Most High. Then, Jalsa, sitting between sujud. Sit briefly and say, Rabbigfir li, my Lord forgive me. Then, second sujud, repeat the same as first sujud. Second rakat, stand up for second rakat. Repeat steps 3 twice. After second sujud of second rakat. Then, tashahud, sitting and testification. Sit and recite, At-Tahiyyatu Lillahi, complete the full tashahud. If it's at warakat prayer, continue with Salat ala Nabi. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad. Dua, optional. Rabbana atina. Then, Taslim, ending the prayer. Turn your head to the right and say, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Then turn left and repeat the same. Rakat counts for daily prayers. Fard, obligatory. Fajr. 2 rakats dur, 4 rakats asr, 4 rakats maghrib, 3 rakats isha, 4 rakats.